Welcome to the Peak Group stand here at National Electronics Week. I'm joined by Carol Miles, who's the Technical Sales Manager. Welcome, Carol.
Yes.
Now, you make a lot of test equipment, fixturing, that type of thing throughout the UK and Ireland. You've got a couple of systems that we're going to look at today, and we'll start with the smaller system here. Can you tell our viewers a little bit about the services you offer and the system that you built? Because most of it's custom, isn't it?
Yes, so each system is fully customized for the customer. So we sit down with them at the beginning of the process, understand what equipment they want to put inside the system, and how we're going to interface then from the test equipment and then onto their fixturing to actually interface to their final product then.
Right, so that's customized to the product that they're building?
Correct, yes.
So what about companies that are doing a lot of high mix? I mean, how do you cope with that?
Okay, so the base test system will be generic, and then you'll have instrumentation then to meet, say, the different product ranges they're going to test then. And then the actual fixture then handles the different product they actually want to test. So you'd have a base system and then different fixtures for each of the different products then.
So this is the smaller unit beside us of the two that you've got on display here. So presumably, what is this limited by, the size of the board or the type of testing?
The main limitation here is size. So in this instance here, we've just got a small system. It's just got a power supply and a National Instruments PXI rack inside, and then a 1 UPC to control it. So in this instance, there's not a need for a great amount of test equipment, so it doesn't need to be a big system. The fixture that then comes with this, in this case we've just got a demonstration fixture here, but you can actually have a bigger fixture or whatever to actually meet the product size then.
So both your systems are PXI based controllers that are inside them?
Yep.
And I can see from the outside here some of the companies that you're actually partnering with, the different types of test systems that you're using there.
That's correct. We're a Gold Alliance member with National Instruments, and we're a strategic solutions provider for Keysight instruments.
So let's take a walk across here to the bigger unit and have a look at that. This is the larger system. Tell us some of the key features that you've got built into this.
Okay, so this was a system, it's our PXI-based test desk, and this is a kind of form factor we've used now for several years. It was originally developed in conjunction with BAE Systems and also one of our software partners, Simplicity AI. So the control software is done by Simplicity AI, and then we integrate their software in with the actual instrumentation here. So the nice thing about that is you've got about 16 U of main test space to put your test instruments in. There's also additional space in the top here where you can put ancillary equipment, USB hubs, Ethernet hubs, etc. And then we have a VPC mass interconnect interface on this system then to take all the signals from here through to the test adapter then for each of the product types.
Right, okay. And you can do pretty large assemblies on here. You could even do LEDs and things like that.
Yes, really down to what the customer needs. So we've done systems with this for gas meters as well, all sorts of things. So it's mechanical things we sometimes get involved with testing as well as electrical.
So let's talk about what types of testing you're doing. I mean, you're doing ICT, you're doing functional test, boundary scan.
Yes.
Yeah. What else are you doing?
Really, whatever the customer needs. Big focus we have as well is also RF. So we do a lot of shielded enclosures for Wi-Fi type products, and that comes across from the likes of Nokia Siemens networks, and that, with base station type testing, and then also we kind of do the RF for the likes of Celex as well. So in that case, it's microwave frequencies then you're at. And then also consumer type products or high-end consumer products then that have got say Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and things like that in them then.
And can you do device programming on there?
Yes, the GoPuls system we have integrated here, there's a programming solution for this that runs at very high speed. There's dedicated IP cores then to do the programming, and it's really down to what the customer needs. So we can integrate other companies as well, so we also work with JTAG Technologies and XJTAG and ASIT as well to do the integration of the system then.
Excellent, excellent. Well, two very versatile systems there. Carl, I want to thank you for showing us them and joining us today.
All right, thank you very much.